We spent an unforgettable day in Bonaire this past November with four-wheel diving, and it was absolutely phenomenal from start to finish. After reading countless reviews of different dive shops, I chose this one hoping for a more personal, local experience, and it didn't disappoint. From the seamless initial planning with Vanessa to Seth picking us up from the cruise port, everything was effortless and well organized. The entire team was incredibly friendly, warm, and welcoming, making us feel comfortable from the moment we arrived. We did the Discover Scuba experience and were thrilled to have a private session just for our family, which made it even more special. The day began with skills training in the morning, followed by a delicious lunch, and then our second dive in the afternoon. The underwater experience was breathtaking with vibrant coral, a variety of fish, and a world beneath the surface that's truly indescribable. Seth was exceptionally patient, reassuring, and safety-focused, especially with us nervous divers. He had us diving confidently in no time. When one member of our family experienced ear issues during the second dive, Seth calmly and professionally adjusted the dive plan to ensure their comfort and safety, while still making it an amazing experience for everyone. We felt completely protected and cared for throughout the entire day. It was great to walk into the water from the pier behind the shop. To top it all off, Seth later sent us video and photos so we could relive and share this experience. Thank you to the four-wheel diving team for creating such a memorable adventure. What an incredible dive shop! We set up a Discover Scuba course before arriving, and Vanessa was fantastic with communicating with us and ensuring everything was in order to enable a seamless experience once we arrived. Once we were at the boatyard, everyone was so excited to see us, meet us and welcome us as complete beginners. Jack was our Discover Scuba instructor and did a top-notch job at making us feel comfortable before getting into the water, and once we were in was awesome at guiding us through all our skills and then the dive. The diving right off their boat ramp was spectacular. It rivaled all the other spots on Bonaire. We were so impressed by the knowledge and warm welcome that we booked another dive with them later in the week and had another fantastic experience. Rob led us on that dive and was equally as fantastic. Can't wait to go back and spend more time with everyone at Four-Wheel Dive. Highest recommendations: Vanessa, Jack, Rob, and Yago all made our first time to Bonaire and first scuba experiences so special. Well, I dove with Jack, and he was a treat. I can tell you about Vanessa, the owner, that she seems very nice and willing to help and accommodate despite the fact that I did my reservations very late, a couple of days in advance. Other than Vanessa, I only interacted with Jack, my guide. It was a true pleasure to dive with Jack. He's an idealist who cares deeply about reefs and ecosystems, and it shows in the way he looks and talks about the marine life we encountered. He was a very competent and also very caring dive guide, to the point where he would not let me chase a tarpon beyond my certification depth. He has an excellent eye for seeing things that are usually missed by others: two corals fighting each other, a very rare species of coral, juvenile queen angelfish, looks nothing like the mom, etc. Besides, he's very chill in and outside of the water, and very knowledgeable. A true pleasure to dive with him.